encounter with this kind of situation? Oh my god! My hand doesn't fit into the chip container. How am I gonna enjoy my chips? Aha! I got an idea. Maybe I can do like this to tape up the chips. Oh no! The chip is falling down on my shirt and it's getting dirty.
So, what are we going to do to solve this problem? Wait a minute, guys. Don't worry. I have a super duper solution.
How?
We need hard paper, lamination film, scissors, pencil, ruler, and potato chip container with potato chips. Let's search for it. Izara, can you pass me the lamination film and scissors?
Yes, sir.
Fatih, do you have a ruler and pencil? Aye, Captain. I have it here. You can take this. Oh, Tawis, give me a potato chip container and I will solve your problem.
Here, take this.
Okay, let's get started.
Yay!
First, we take the measurement of the container's height and the round bottom surface. Draw according to the measurement. Cut the paper. Then laminate. After that, fold into the shape. Put inside the chip container and fill the potato chips inside the chip container. Ta-da! Now our invention is ready to perform. Open, pull the butterfly shape. Now all of you can enjoy it.
Wow! You are so smart!
Does this invention have its own name, Ruben? I am curious. Not yet. I cannot think of any suitable name for this. Do you guys have any idea? I think I want to sell this soon.
Aha! What about butterfly hook? Because of the butterfly shape. It's a brilliant idea, Inara! This invention is going to be on the market soon. What will the advantages of this invention, guys?
I think it's chip that we enjoy will be in perfect shape because butterfly hook prevent potato chips from turning into debris.
It is also more hygienic, friendly, and practical. Lastly, the materials used are cheap and easily available. Am I right, guys? Yes!